What is the value of y in the solution to this system of equations? There are several different ways to solve this, and I'm going to show you two. Notice that the second equation is already solved for one of the variables. X equals negative 2y plus 9. I'm going to substitute that into the first equation to get one of the variables. The first equation says 6y plus x, but instead of x, I'm going to put negative 2y plus 9 in its place. Then I'll finish out the rest of the equation equals to negative 59. From there, I have two like terms that I can combine here, 6y and negative 2y, which will give me 4y plus 9 is equal to negative 59. From there, I can subtract 9 on both sides and get 4y is equal to negative 68, and then divide both sides by 4 to get y is equal to negative 17. So I feel very confident that the answer is G. But let's say that you didn't want to necessarily do all of that algebra. Is there something else that you could have done? Well, there is. Because the second equation is solved for x, if we solve the first equation for x also, we'll be able to graph this in Desmos and be able to find the answer that way. So if we take this first equation and try to solve it for x, that just means that we will be subtracting 6y from both sides of the equation. So minus 6y and minus 6y will give us x is equal to negative 6y minus 59. Now I will be graphing this equation and this equation in Desmos and looking for their intersection. So if we go over to Desmos, what we will see is we can type in x is equal to negative 6y minus 59 and x is equal to negative 2y plus 9. And if we look for the intersection point, it's right there. And remember that the question was asking us for the value of y. And so the y coordinate of that intersection point is negative 17, which again confirms that the correct answer is G.